Okay, so firstly I'm starting off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade and the It Cosmetics eye brush. So I'm just running it through my brows. This is like my go-to. I haven't filmed a video in the longest time. I've been like really busy with wedding makeup, microblading. So now that I've filled in my brows, I'm going to apply some brow gel. And I'm going to go in with the Stila Prime. Oh my god. The green, it counteracts the redness and it gets rid of it before you even put your foundation on. And I like to put it on my lids as well because that holds down the eyeshadow. And my skin feels really hydrated now and real plump. Now I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix foundation. It's in NC20 and I'm also using this Sedona Lace brush. These brushes are so good. I've had them for like 5 years and they still work amazing. I'm going for quite a natural look today. I'm not going to do lashes. See, it looks quite orange now, but once you blend it in, it looks perfect. I did wedding makeup in the weekend and oh my gosh, the bride looked like a different person after I'd put the makeup on. Like, she looked so beautiful. And she looked in the mirror and she's like, I can't believe this. Like, she couldn't believe it was her. And don't forget to blend it down your neck either, and don't forget your ears because that's an easy one to forget. And now I'm going in with the MAC concealer. Man, my skin's good today. Now I'm just getting the beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it in over my eye as well. And then I'm getting the NARS concealer and I'm just putting more on there. I love how I'm like, this is going to be natural and my skin looks real flawless. And now I'm just going to set my under eyes with this powder here. It's the MAC Mineralizing Skinfinish powder. You don't want to cake it all under because then it will crease and you'll look like you've got wrinkles when you actually don't. Now I'm going in with the Studio Fix powder. And I'm just going to dab that all into my skin. And then I'm going to go in with this shade right here from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. And I'm just going to pop that in the crease right here. That really opens your eyes up, eh? Looks amazing and I haven't even finished. Just keep blending. And now I'm going to use the Carli Bybell palette and I think I'll go in with this shade right here. Holy, whoa, that's so intense. And now I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara. Because I'm going for a natural look today, I'm not going to put too much on and I'm not going to put lashes on either. My eyes are really shiny today. That means that you're healthy as well if your eyes are like shiny. And now I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer. I'm just going to put like a small amount on today. I'm not going to contour because this is my natural makeup look. And a lot of people ask me that as well. They're like, do you do natural makeup? And I'm just like, not on myself, I don't. And then I'm going to put some up here as well because I've got quite a big forehead for a little face. I'm going to use this MAC blush and it's in Whole Lotta Love. And I'm using this XO Beauty brush to apply it. Just applying it to the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going in with the Lou Manizer. Oh gosh, that looks amazing. And then I'm going to go in with the Carli BYBEL palette and I'm going to apply this pretty gold highlight to my cheekbones. Oh gosh, that looks amazing. And then some here too. Oh gosh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, how good does this makeup look? And I'm going to apply some gold highlight up here too. Oh my god. I'm going to go in with the Lip Injections lip gloss. This is the Too Faced one. Obsessed with this. This is probably my favourite makeup look I've ever done. And I'm not even wearing lashes. And I'm just going to apply a tiny bit of this Too Faced actually. I don't want to ruin it. I love that colour. Okay, and this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys loved this video, and if you did, give us a like and I'll see you guys next time.